Afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday, March the 14th. Yes, not May, March the 14th, 2024. We have had three irregular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. And we have not so good news, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles. Let me show you. No extra puzzles. What I will do is, yesterday we have an additional. We have 3 puzzles left. So what I will do is, in the evening I will solve those 3 puzzles in the Wednesday edition. Yeah. Alright, what's the news for today? Well, there's not a lot of news, except the weather news. Yeah, because today it's a warm day. Yeah, it's getting spring. Yeah, today, let me show you, 17 degrees. Yeah, 17 degrees today. Yeah, Celsius. Alright, enough about weather news. Let me start with the first one. First one is the 3 Stars Sudoku. I need to position the camera correctly here. And this one will be number 8188. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has one printed digit more. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. But 3 stars has always 25. But this one has a 26. So it could be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row? So the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for 8 should be there. Then, let me see. How about the 2 in this row, the 2 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then, let me see. 1, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the first column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have an 8 in the second row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 8 in this big square should be there. Then 1. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 6. We have a 4 and a 6 in the middle column, so no 4 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, and the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 5. Then, let me see. 6. Need a 6 here. I need a 7 here. And I need a 3 here. Well, come on. This is taking too long. 7. Four. Come on, come on, come on. 4, 5. 4, 5. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers, the 5, the 4, and the 9. We have 5, the 4, and the 9 in this column, so no 5, 4, and the 9 in these 3 boxes. 5, 4, and the 9 goes in those 3 boxes. 5, 4, and a 9, 5, 4, and a 9. Here we have a 9 here, so the 4 and a 5. Okay. So what are these 3 missing numbers then in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. We have a 6 in this row. We have a 6 in the row below. So the only place level 6 should be there then. So the 3 and the 1 are left. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Well, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of missing numbers 4. We have a 4 in this one, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. So here can be 4. We have a 4 in the first column. So the 5 and the 9. Okay. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in this second column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. We need a 5 in this one of these 3 boxes. We have a 5 in this column. Second column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left with 5. Should be there. So the 4 and the 9 are left. 4 and the 9. We have a 9 in the last one. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 box left in the second column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, alright. And now, well, need a 7 here. No 5, 5. Need a 5. Oh, 5 in this column, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. Need a 1 here. And I need 4, 6, and need a 3 here. Well, I need a 3 in this column. Here can be 3. We have 3 in the first one. No 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Here we have a 3. Here we have a 3. That means in the last row, the 3 in the last row should be here or there. Alright. Need a 4 here. Okay. 8 here. And then the 5 here. Need 6. Need 6 here. 6, 7. Well, 3 missing numbers in this row for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 2, 6, 7. 2, 6, 7, okay. Then 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, there are only 3 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Come on, 4, 3, 4, 3, 6. These are 3 missing numbers. 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6. And look, we have 4 and a 6 in this row. So here can we 4 and a 6 should be the 3 then. The 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes. In this column, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 should be there then. Alright. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left with a 2 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, no need to place level 7 should be here. Or there, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And 1 box left in this column for number 1. And 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 3 and a 1, we have 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, no 1 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this row, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and the 8, and the 9 is missing, 5, the 9, 5, and the 9, cannot fill this yet. Here also 2 numbers left in this row, 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be 3 goes there. I marked those 3 boxes with a 2. Well, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 in the last column, no 2 there. Only place level the 2 should be here. So the other 2 numbers should be the 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 7 goes there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row, so the third row. Only 3 place level 6 should be here, or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 in that column, no 6 there. Only place level 6 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 place level 8 should be here or there. Well, need to wait. Yeah. 1 and an 8. We have 8 now in the last column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 goes there. Now I can use the 8. We have 8 in this column. So this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8. Okay. And now 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have 5 in this row. Second row, no 5 there. 5 should be in, and 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. Alright. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column now, only 2 place level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 1 and a 9, we have a 9 now in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 9 and a 5, we have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big... No. 1 box left in this row, first row for number 1. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 9, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 and a 5, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there, finish in 13 minutes. Well, told you. Maybe it's not 2 stars, but a 1 star. I'm faster than 40 minutes, so it should be a 0 stars. 0 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so I can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.